Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to set up iVCam on Streamlabs. First, open your browser and search for iVCam on Google. Go to the official website and download the version that matches your Windows, either 64-bit or 32-bit. Once it's downloaded, run the setup and install it. On your phone, open the App Store and install iVCam as well. Now open the app on both your PC and your iPhone. On your iPhone, allow the network, camera and microphone permission when they pop up. Make sure your iPhone and PC are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Once that's done, you will see the connection working over Wi-Fi. Next, minimize iVCam on your PC and open Streamlabs. Now click the plus icon next to source, choose video capture device and add the new source. Then give it a name, click add source again and in the device list, select iVCam. That's it, your camera is now connected. You can move and resize it however you like. If you want to drop, just hold Alt plus Shift key while adjusting the frame. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.